Now the second team is Assam. The members are Ghanshyam, Vikram and Ritesh, and they are going to present about the features of Assam. Come here and go for the presentation.
First of all, a heartily good morning to all of you, and especially to our mentor, GK sir, who organized such a beautiful platform to interact with our presentations. Not only today, but literally they organize in usual days. And and I am with my teammate Assam. My teammate is Ghanshyam and Ritesh, going to introduce and give detailed idea about Assam. So I am proceeding with my presentation. That is, first content is introduction, geography, history, culture and tradition, political aspects, demography, economy, education, tourist and palace, and conclusion. And leading part will be covered by me, that is introduction. About state. Assam lies in the northeast region of India. Its latitude is 92 degree in north and about 26 degree in east. And it's being in the north region favors subtropical climate, and the climatic type is temperate. Where summer experience 35 to 37 degrees Celsius, and winter has 6 to 8 degrees centigrade range. And about culture and tradition, I said about, then it covers all the details. That is, here we can say that as a culture, people wear Surya Punjabi, and women usually wears Mekhela Chadar as their costume, and spoke languages like Assamese, including Bengalis and Hindi, and it has a traditional dance known as Bihu, and the most interesting fact about Assam is that it is suitable for tea cultivations, and even also sugarcane, silk, cotton, jute, and so many industrials. And Assam has huge biodiversity, which with including with flora and fauna. And these are flora and fauna are, we can say that rhinoceros, one-horned rhinoceros, Asian elephants, white winged duck, and so on. And geography, it is also being covered by me, that is area where, that is 78,438 kilometers. And climate, it has a subtropical climate, as earlier I also said. It bears temperate climatic type, which is favorable for very varieties of crops, that is tea, cash crops, and agriculture. Here agriculture in terms of agriculture, like foods, tea, lentils, food, tea, lentils, tea, silk, jute, and cotton were cultivated as people mostly practice and use in their agriculture work. And mostly women are engaged in tea plucking. And when we draw to the industries part, men usually work as a laborers in whether it is jute or silk industry. Flora and fauna, as earlier I said that it's one-horned rhinoceros, some kind of trees, that is coffee tea, and And border then it's about border in north we can say that in east we have Nagaland, and in north Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh, and south West Bengal, West Bengal via Siliguri, and in south we have Mizoram. History. As a state, the Assam is declared as a state, 15th state of India, after the independence of India in year 1950, and they have a freedom fighters also, like we can say that freedom fighters. And it is history belonging to the Assam folk life and tantric literature and Tibetan literatures, and the people mostly the tribes are Bodos, and culture and tradition will be covered by our teammates, that is Ritesh.
Good morning all of you. I am Ritesh Raj of class 9. Today is my presentation on culture and traditional. The first is a costume. In Assam, my topic is Assam. In Assam, costume is a menswear Goswama, and women's wear a Mathiala chadar, and second your food. Their food is a chicken that's mixed on a dance. There is a traditional dance of Bihu. Languages, that Assam's languages are Assamese, that converted into Hindi and Sanskrit. Games, their games are Dood Khel is the games of Assam, that are most famous games.
Yes. Next slide. Demography of Assam. Assam demographic by population, it is about 3.55 crore, and by religious view, Hindu has a majority, approx 61%, and Muslim occupies one third of it, that is 32%, and Christian 3%, that is in a minor block, and the rest others are tribe caste, which is 13%, of which Bodos account for 40%. And here we can say that according to 2001 to 2011 census, there is an increase in populations. That is, the Hindu were earlier 17. Here the 2.7%. There was an increment 2.7%, but in 2011 it increased by 3.1%, where it accounts almost 17.7% average growth. And here Muslim is 0.8% over by 2001 census, and 2011 census 1.1, that is 29.59%. And about Christian, that is it's very minor, about 0.35%, and other remains same. Economic will be covered by our teammate Ghanshyam.
Good morning, respected sir, all of you. And we cover part economics, agriculture, important of important and export. Well, economics in the most important state and country. Mostly information in Assam. Assam GDP rank in 7th rank. Assam GDP rank per capita. Assam GDP per capita rank in 2022. Divided for all GDP, agriculture sector, service sector, and industrial sector. Compared to pie chart compared to 100, the agriculture sector is 17%, industrial sector 44%, and industrial sector 39%, or service sector 44%, complete by total 100%. Agriculture sector 37%. Agriculture sector contains for more than a third of Assam income, and total employs 69% at workforce. Assam biggest contribution to world is its tea. Agriculture segments of all India sharing agriculture sector. Tea is 16%, coffee 5.4%, pineapple 8.1%, cucumber almost 8.5%. In industry sector GDP in 89%. Industry sector 89%. Recent USGS means a state GDP geological survey. So that 399 million barrels of oil, 1,118 billion feet gas, and 16 billion barrels of natural gas. Industrial service sectors be covered by 44% in GDP. Government and private sectors. Poverty line in Assam 31.9%. According 2017 to 18. Poverty line rank 21. The current poverty line is 10.9.24%. So currently poverty line in Assam almost 100% per month every male. Urban area. Rural area. Urban area almost 2,100 per man. Divided by day waste of every man almost 28 rupees. Or rural area. Urban area almost 33 rupees. Human Development Index means HDX 0.164%. Assam Human Development Index saturated composite index life expectancy, education and literacy rate, growth and per capita income, high education, higher level gross income means PPT. PPT means the purchasing power parity.
What are you doing?
Public financial, public debit 19.5%. GSDP means gross state domestic product. Budget balance 9,338 crore. Revenue 92,231 crore. Expense 1.03 lakh crore. Transportation.
You used to go and change, na? What is the coordination then? You should coordinate 2 members.
Transportation is most important economic sector. Transportation in to survive railway station and highway. Total length of national highway in Assam almost 3900.4% kilometer. Total national highway number of 39. Many 39 just like NH 31, NH 31A, NH 37C, etc. Total state highway 53. Number of railway station in Assam 305. Assam number of station with Wi-Fi connectivity 195. Assam Railway Division Northeast Forest Railway Zone. In education survived for 1961 one persons, red male and green female. 1961% growth for person 20%, 16% in 1931 in the growth for average. Highest growth in 2044. 2014 divide for the 11. Explained by 2011. 2000 largest literacy Assam estimates to 73.18%, male 78.81%, female 7.76%. Literacy rate Assam in comparison to all country 74.04%. Education in famous college IIT Guwahati Public Technology and Research Center, Government of India, Chairman T.G. Sitaraman, academic staff 413, total students is almost 56,000. UG means undergraduate post and undergraduate course 216.5 seats. PG 2,255. So that's in cover parts of Vikram.
second topic is my tourist places. First is national park. National park in Assam, many national parks like a
What happened? What happened? Be silent in the class. What?
national park is many in the Assam. First is Gir National Park. The second is Kaziranga National Park and Sai.
Take over.
Yes, you can take over. Come there. Go there.
National park, we have so many national park, that is Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, and one of the national park in capital of Assam, Dispur, and we have wildlife sanctuary reserve for elephants, Asian elephants. And moving towards historical monuments, we have Tinsukia, and second one is the Tripur Tinsukia, and second one is historical monuments.
Conclude your presentation. Vikram, conclude your presentation.
Overall conclusion is that having so much biodiversity and having so much cultural heritage and national park till now, as compared to other cities like Rajasthan, Jaipur, Delhi, these are being lagging due to government failure. It might have become a popular tourist palace because in the northeast we have a favorable climate and we can say historical monuments and national park also, and it will also a trade center including in this industries. For example, it's lagging in sugarcane industries due to lack of modern machines, due to we can say old production method. We gain less productivity of the crops, and tea is the most cultivated crops in the state, and we have so many crops which the government should focus to increase the economy of the state, that is silk, jute, sugarcane, and the government can also improve the transportation systems so that the tourists can easily visit the places.
All right. Okay, now this is a round of interrogative questions. I would like to ask you. The topic is Assam. What is the importance of Assam in India?
Sir, important.
Strategically,
sir, we can say that Assam occupies, Assam dominate due to its tea cultivations, and having a favorable climate, that is subtropical climate, temperate zone. Because of that, tea crop is mostly cultivated in Assam, and for that we have to, and it have soil that is alluvial, dominant and lateritic soil. And due to this, and due to the natural and geographic condition, Assam productivity of tea is world famous, and it is of five different kinds. We can say the tea cultivated is five different kinds. It's upon quality, it's upon productivity, and it also gives India a unique country because from Assam indigenous tribes have come from Tibet, and we can say Tibet and
all of you. Very good.
It is said that Kaziranga National Park is an asset of Assam. This park is famous for one-horned rhinoceros, Or this national park is also natural habitat of rare and endangered species. So tell me why this national park facing a numerous of problems.
Kaziranga National Park in Indian National Park, which is National Park in Assam. Problem is National Park in has many types of the birds in park, in range of animals, various.
All right, come here. Ask him the question.
What is Assam famous for?
Assam is famous for Kamakhya temple because it is a Hindus goddess place, and we are visit Kamakhya temple for picnics and
Okay. Go. Clap for them.